What's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tiara J, and we back with another curly summer series slay. Listen, we made it to August. The school year has started back up, and we have just really finished, and I'm honestly not done. Going strong with the curly summer series. I am just so proud of this series. Just again, I think I said it in the last video, just showing up, staying committed to your beauty, just staying committed to your routines, and just, you know what I'm saying, feeling good and looking good, period. Okay, so this video is like the perfect back to school mamas tap in. We need to throw something on real quick. Listen, I know I ain't did a wig on my channel in a minute. I know I gave up wigs, but listen, this is a little different. Okay, this is just a little half wig. Honestly, with the whole wig thing, it's mainly just like frontals and stuff that I'm just not really, that's not my season. But half wig, we can do a little something with the halfy, okay? Because we got a natural, super natural flip over, a little something cute going on. And when I say this is my cup of tea, this is my type of time, something I can throw on, blend in really, really quick. I don't have to have, you know, much of a leave out, and it's cute. I'm calling this my SZA inspired install, fluffy, you know, just big hair, wavy type of look. I don't know why I ain't picked up this waver in a hot little minute, but the waves is gonna be making a comeback for me, because this is just like such a cute, like, it gives you like curly type of look, but it's just like a nice sultry smooth looking curl, you know, and it's just so cute. So I'm gonna be using this HerGivenHair half wig, kinky straight half wig. Just go ahead, keep watching to see all the hair information. You can also check out the description box down below to find out more information on this wiggy wig. Cute. Y'all know a half wig is barely even an install. It's really just a 1-2, literally pop it on and do what you do. So let's go ahead and get into it. a easy little one too, and you can do what you do. And like, look at this, super cute, super cute. This hair, Kinky straight, again, is my favorite texture, hands down. And I love how this texture, it didn't get like, and that's one thing with Kinky straight that people, I want my beauties to understand. Kinky straight is not gonna be like bone straight, but if you go through with a straightening brush first, before you do your styling, you can get a more like sleek look, but you're gonna always still get like some poofiness when it comes to Kinky straight. And not really poofy, but I'll say like texture. You're gonna always get texture when it comes to Kinky straight. And that's why honestly it's my favorite, because it just looks so realistic, it looks so natural. It's very easy to blend in when you got like, you know what I'm saying? Okay, my black girls, my textured girls, like it's just so easy to blend. You don't have to really do too much. I think I'll probably like braid this up, like just put all of this into 2 big braids and braid my natural hair in with it, so that way I don't have to like keep putting heat on my hair, because I'm not touching this. Okay, I already got like a little heat damage at my front, so I'm gonna just leave it alone, braid it up, and I should be able to, you know, maintain like the waves. But this is just so freaking cute. Okay, SZA inspired. Big hair, don't care. Back to school time, cute mama, you know what I'm saying, showing up in the carpool line, real cute. Y'all comment down below, let me know how you feeling this look. Let me know if this is something that you would try. And yeah, thank y'all so much for watching. I appreciate y'all. Y'all make sure to what? Stay blessed, stay beautiful at all times. I don't care what life is doing. Life can get a little crazy sometimes, but you stay true to who you are. You stay blessed. You stay in the blessings that God has given you. You count your blessings. Realize the blessings, because they are all around you, okay? And just find the beauty in life. That's when I say stay blessed and stay beautiful. That's what I mean, okay? So stay blessed, stay beautiful. I'll catch y'all in the next video. Love y'all. Peace.